Good morning everyone. I am Aditya Shrestha, a teacher trainee of B.Ed second semester from Siguri Tarai B.Ed College and Siguri Primary Teachers Training College. Well, the topic we are continuing is trigonometric ratios. Till now we have solved many problems on the basis of the formulas that we have learned till that. So, today also we will solve some questions of class 10 West Bengal board by applying the formula of trigonometric ratios table. So before starting our today's session, let's recapitulate the formula of trigonometric ratios table.
Okay, this is the values of trigonometric ratios table. So let's tell me students, what is the value of sine 90 degree? It's 1. What is the value of cos 0 degree? It's also 1. What is the value of tan 45 degree? It's 1. What is the value of cot 30 degree? It's root 3. What is the value of sec 45 degree? It's root 2. What is the value of cosec 60 degree? It's 2 by root 3. So now let's solve some problems with the help of these values.
Okay, let's solve some problems of class 10 West Bengal board from chapter 23.2, question number 6 of 5. The question is 2 tan square 30 degree by 1 minus tan square 30 degree plus sec square 45 degree minus cot square 45 degree is equal to sec 60 degree. So the question is to prove left hand side is equal to right hand side. So first of all, let's find the value of left hand side. LHS is 2 tan square 30 degree by 1 minus tan square 30 degree plus sec square 45 degree minus cot square 45 degree. Here 2 into what is the value of tan 30 degree? It's 1 by root 3. So h square, so put square here. 1 minus value of tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Here is also square here plus what's the value of sec 45 degree? It's root 2. Here is also square minus what is the value of cot 45 degree? It's 1. Here is also square. Now let's solve this. 2 into square of 1 is 1, square of root 3 is 3. 1 minus square of 1 is 1 and square of root 3 is 3 plus square of root 2 is 2 minus square of 1 is 1. Here 2 ones are 2 by 3. Here 1 minus 1 by 3. So in order to solve this, we have to find the LCM. So put 1 here because 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. So let's find the LCM of 1 and 3. What's the LCM of 1 and 3? Is 3. So here is 1. Let's write down 1 here. Multiply. 1 how many times is 3? It's 3 times. Minus. Here is 1. So write 1 here and multiply. 3 how many times is 3? 1 times. So plus 2 minus 1 is plus 1. 2 divided by 3. Write as it is. 1 into 3 is 3 minus 1 into 1 is 1 divided by 3 plus 1. Let's do this here. Here 2 by 3. Write as it is 2 by 3. 3 minus 1 is 2 divided by 3 plus 1. 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. This will cancel out. What will remain? 1 by 1 is 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we got left hand side LHS as 2. Now let's find RHS. So RHS is sec 60 degree. What is the value of sec 60 degree? It's 2. Therefore, is equal to LHS. Proved. Now let's solve another question of question number 7.1. So the question is, if x sine 45 degree cos 45 degree tan 60 degree is equal to tan 45 degree minus cos 60 degree, then let us determine the value of x. So now we have to find the value of x. Solution. So write down the question here. X of sine 45 degree cos 45 degree tan 60 degree equal to tan 45 degree minus cos 60 degree, or x into, so value for sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Value for cos 45 degree is also 1 by root 2. Value for tan 60 degree is root 3 is equal to, value for tan 45 degree is 1 minus, and the value for cos 60 degree is sine 60 degree, sine root 3 by sine 3 half. Now multiply this. X into 1 into 1 into root 3 is root 3. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. Here, LCM this. Simplify this. Put 1 here because 1 by 1 is also is equal to 1. So LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. Here is 1. So write down here 1. 1 how many times is 2? Is 2 times. Here is minus. So write down minus here. Here is also 1. Multiply 2 how many times is 2? 1 times. Right, as it is. 1 2 the 2 minus 1 1 the 1 divided by 2. Write this same. 2 minus 1 is 1 divided by 2. Here we have to find the value of x. So x is equal to 1 by 2 multiply, this will be inverse, 2 by root 3, because we are changing the side. So now this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled out. But we will get x equal to 1 by root 3. So the value of x is 1 by root 3, which is our answer. Okay, now let's note down the homework. Question is, from 6, number 1. Sin square 45 degree plus cos square 45 degree is equal to 1. So the question is, you have to prove that sin square 45 degree plus cos square 45 degree is equal to 1. Now note down next question. 2 into tan 30 degree by 1 minus tan square 30 degree is equal to root over 3. You have to prove that 2 into tan 30 degree by 1 minus tan square 30 degree is equal to root 3. And the one is from 7 to if x sine 60 degree cos square 30 degree Question number 7 is, if x sine 60 degree cos square 30 degree is equal to tan square 45 degree sec 60 degree by cosec 60 degree, then find the value of x. Okay, this was all for today. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you.